These are the Pixie heat patches, soothing care for, you know, the kids' periods. So these are a pack of 3, and they're lightweight. They're so discreet for those busy days when the cramps really show up uninvited. So you're going to open this up, and there's a patch in here. It's about that big. You're going to peel the adhesive off, and it feels slim, but it is sturdy. And it is so much more comfortable than a heating pad, because once you take it out and open it up, and once exposed to air, it heats up. It's going to heat up for about 8 hours, perfect for school or work. Natural, drug-free formula, no odor, portable and disposable. You just take it, peel it off, stick it where the pain is, and within 10 to 15 minutes, it's going to reach a steady warmth, and it will ease the tension across the abdomen or the lower, you know, back if so. But it sticks well. My daughters put leggings or tights over these. No problem whatsoever. So stays in place without moving around. Ideal for comfort rather than a quick blast of heat. But I highly recommend this. 3 of them. Lasts through the day. No cords, no creams, no medicine. Anybody who wants a low maintenance, discreet way to fight period pain, Pixie makes that time of the month a little more manageable. And with my teens, you know, anything that is soothing helps. And I find it's a nice little self-care habit. One thing I wanted to make clear, these do not go directly on the skin. So you can situate it on your panties or on your leggings. It does not go on the skin directly. You know, the outside of your underwear on the front, the outside of your underwear on the back. Just so you know, don't stick it to your skin.